Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious niño envuelto. It's basically a Mexican jelly roll cake. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. So we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Once we have that going on, we're going to get our baking sheet ready. For this, you're going to need a 15 by 10. So I have it here. And now we're just going to grease it. And this is just going to work as the glue for our parchment paper. We're going to grab a piece of parchment paper and place it on top. Okay, so line your baking sheet with the parchment paper. Okay, and once it's ready, we're going to set it to the side and work on our batter. In our bowl, we're going to add 3 eggs at room temperature, half a cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay, so now we're going to be beating for about 4 minutes on medium speed. After 4 minutes, our eggs should be nice and fluffy. So now we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of milk. We're going to sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour, along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Just sift it. And now we're just going to mix on low speed, just until everything is well combined. Okay, so now we're just going to scrape our bowl, make sure that we get everything, and just kind of fold it in. And once we have our batter, now we can get ready to transfer it to our baking sheet. Make sure you get everything. Now we're just going to even out our batter. Okay, and once it's nice and even, we're going to be baking for 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, and while we wait, we're going to sift powdered sugar on our kitchen towel. Now this is optional. If you want to use parchment paper and just straight up roll it like that, you can do that, but for me, it's easier using a kitchen towel. So we're just going to wait for our cake to finish cooking and then we can roll it. Okay, and after 8 minutes, our cake should be done. So just poke it with a toothpick and just like that. So now be careful. Okay, we're going to be grabbing our cake and just flip it over. Okay, so just remove the parchment paper. And I'm just going to get ready to roll it. And if you overbake your cake, then it's going to crack. So just make sure that you bake it for 8 minutes. Okay, so as soon as we wrap, I'm just going to get another piece of parchment paper on the bottom so we can unroll our cake. And like I said, you can skip this and just go straight to the parchment paper. But for me, it's just easy to roll it like this. Okay. So transfer it to the parchment paper. And now we can get ready to add our strawberry jam. Just spread it. Okay, now get ready to re-roll it again. Like that. So now we're going to cover it with strawberry topping. Cover the whole cake. Now we're going to cover it with coconut flakes. And I'm going to add some to the sides where we're going to be flipping our cake over to make sure that it gets completely covered. Okay, and once it's completely coated, we're going to transfer it to our plate so we can allow it to cool down. Alrighty, and once it cools down, we're going to cut the ends. Okay, and now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious niño envuelto. So cut a slice, and you cut them as big as you want. Cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I am so ready guys, let me tell you, I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super delicious. The best bread is made at home, and you know this bread you can make it under 15 minutes. It's super easy, so fast, and the best part is that everyone enjoys it. And for me personally, you know, I love this bread, but I don't know, most of the time it tastes so much like egg. It's just not, you know, my favorite taste. So for me, making it at home, it's absolutely the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And of course, if you don't want to use the jam or the jelly in the inside, you know, you can use the topping. Just use 1 whole jar of the strawberry topping, and that should be even, you know, super delicious. For me personally, I just like using the jam. But I am so ready. So cheers. So good. I love coconut. The bread is so spongy. It's so moist, not dry at all. It's the best. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious niño envuelto. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.